Introducing the game changer in compact excavation, the Wacker Neuson tracked zero-tail excavator EZ17 from Equipment Services and Machinery, the most powerful zero-tail excavator in its class. The EZ17 is your ultimate workhorse in confined areas where other excavators struggle. Its innovative zero-tail design ensures maximum maneuverability without compromising on power. With a powerful digging arm and responsive controls, you can take on any excavation task with confidence. The rugged tracks provide stability and traction on various terrains, allowing you to tackle diverse projects with ease. Step into the spacious, ergonomic cabin where comfort meets efficiency and enjoy unmatched visibility of your surroundings, ensuring precision with every move you make. Whether you're working on urban construction, landscaping or utility projects, the EZ17 proves that big tasks can come in small packages. And we have good stocks of the EZ17 available right now. Call us today to arrange a demo at our ESM Sales and Service Centre at Building 4, 1816 Ipswich Road, Rocklea. You won't be disappointed.